What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm installing some lights, some LED 10-pack lights. You can see I already got them up. It went well. I recorded the whole thing. I'm gonna walk you guys through everything. These are 4-foot lights and they're linkable. They are 40-watt frosted LEDs. So I am just ecstatic. I don't know if you can tell, but it is amazing. It's a huge difference in here. So let's go. At an angle, and it's down a little farther because it's a 1.5 inch 2x4, but it'll work. Way more light. So then I'm gonna run the next one this way. So now these lights come with this little thing here on each side. So it works with a chain they give you, and they give you screws and some hooks. But I'm not using that. These are the chains with the little hook. I'm using these screws that I use for everything. These are my go-to screws, the hex head, and they fit right in there. So it works perfect. So that's how I'm mounting all these. I think I'm going to have to use the chain on this one. Heck yeah. I'll have to hang the wires up and get them tucked out of the way, but for now, sweet. See how dark it is over here? Not anymore! So for these, I got some zip ties. See, I'm just going to run the zip tie right through here and see if that works. Woohoo! Yes. We got a lot of packages right now on the floor that all have to get shipped in. So it'll be a busy night tonight still. But we'll have light. Cool. I got some, I got a piece in that light that's got the socket with an outlet. So this way I can plug these lights in that I'm going to put over our work area over here. And then when I turn the switch on, those will turn on. So let's hang those. I'm going to do those by screw as well. Yes. 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 I had one up here already just to try it out. So one thing we're really excited about these is when we were working out here in the evenings especially, it would get super tired from the light that we have up here. And then on top of it, we kept getting headaches. So this should eliminate all of that. I'm like an inch away from the stud, so I'm going to use the chain for that last little bit. Mama's gonna have some light. I think I'm gonna hang it like this. Because it'll give her light straight down the middle of the table. It'll be a lot better. Oh, this is sweet. Alright, so it works, but we have to make sure the garage doors don't hit it. Oh, I see something right now. So I'm going to have to fix this cord hanging down. And then we'll try it. That is all done. Zip tied up. Let's open the garage doors. Oh, heck yeah. Sweet! Heck yeah! This is awesome. Look at that! So much light for all the activities out here. That is sweet. Oh, I am pumped. This is exciting. This is really cool. I'm just ecstatic. I know some of you guys are like, now what are you going to do when the doors are open? I'm not worried about it. So what if you don't have those lights? If the doors are open, it's going to probably be light outside. So, all good with me. This is awesome. Oh, let's try one more thing. Just for fun. Lights off. Oops, that was a mudroom. So the ones underneath the shelves, I have to do with my switch over there. But how cool is that? Stinking cool. Heck yeah. So it's been a couple of weeks now since I've done that video. I have no voice, got a head cold and such. But these lights have been awesome. And they say in the instructions, they recommend hooking up only 4. So as you can tell here, I only have 3, but the ones underneath the shelves, I have more. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, well, 6 because this one's on its own. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook them up to the lights, and I'm gonna run a cord. I'm gonna wire it in, so then when I flip the switch on, I'm gonna have it so they're wired up. So then they'll be individually, and there'll be 4 on each run. Well, it'll be 3 and 4, but yeah, so far so good. They have been working out. So we used to work in here, and we only had these light bulb ones from Amazon. They were alright, but it had a lot of shadows. It wasn't as bright. We found, especially in the evenings when we do a lot of our work, we had to the point where it was very hard. It was very hard to see. We had headaches. We got tired really fast. And now we're finding ourselves working until midnight, which isn't a good thing also. But working until midnight, and it's no big deal. And we get caught up with work really fast also because of it. But it's been awesome. I love these lights. for the money, 89 bucks. It's well worth it. If you want to check them out, see what I got, I'll put a link in the description. But so far they're awesome. For those of you guys who haven't seen my shop, I do laser engraving full time, my wife and I. We got Thunder Laser here, Epilogue, X-Tool, and then we have a Mactron laser, Wisely laser, that's a fiber, that's UV. Basically we can do everything and anything. And then I have another machine right here. You'll see another time. Video hasn't come out yet on it. So it's been awesome. So this is the shipping area. I redid all of our stuff. We used to do this all in the basement. I redid all of it. So I want to also make another video to help more people like you guys to start doing stuff on your own. Because this turned out as a hobby for fun, just to make a little bit of money. And it quickly turned into a full-time gig. So glad you got to see me again. Bye.